The US dollar has been retreating without prospects for resuming a rally as market participants pin hopes that the Federal Reserve will dare to cut interest rates. Market sentiment remains subdued, so traders refrain from risky bets. As the commodity currencies are trading under pressure, the Canadian dollar is extending losses. The US currency seems to have lost its safe haven status. Thus, its index has failed to touch the level of 100 points. Today, the greenback is accelerating its decline, having settled down at 98.63. The index shed 0.36% in the New York trade, following a 0.1% downtick in the European session. The US dollar index has lost 1.2% since last week. The euro bounced 0.5% higher amid the weaker US currency. The euro-dollar pair is trading at near 1.09. The main culprit of the greenback's decline is a growing likelihood of monetary easing by the US central bank. Market participants are now fully pricing in one rate cut in April and 3 rate cuts by March next year. Investors are voicing concern over the spread of the virus in the US that makes the US dollar vulnerable. In this context, the greenback does not look like a shelter as it did a few days ago. The coronavirus casts a shadow over the economic outlook for the US. Today, traders are evaluating a series of macroeconomic data with a focus on durable goods orders, initial jobless claims, and above all, a GDP report. The second estimate of the GDP for the fourth quarter came in unrevised from the initial estimate. Other weekly updates also proved resilience of the US economy. Upbeat metrics could improve sentiment of dollar bulls. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar plummeted to the lowest level in 8 months. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair surpassed 1.3350, heading for new highs. The next target for loonie bears could be the level of 1.35. The Canadian dollar has slumped 2.2% since the beginning of the year. The loonie has been losing ground steadily against its American rival for 2 straight months. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.